What are the types of network? The size of a network can be expressed by the geographical area they occupy and the number of computers that are part of the network. Network can cover anything from a handful of devices within a single room to millions of devices spread across the entire globe. Some of the different networks based on size are Personal Area Network (PAN), Local Area Network (LAN), Metropolitan Area Network (MAN), Wide Area Network (WAN). Personal Area Network. It is a computer network organized around an individual person within a single building. This could be inside a small office or residence. A typical PAN would include one or more computers, telephones, peripheral devices, video game consoles, and other personal entertainment devices. The next would be Local Area Network (LAN). It consists of a computer network at a single site, typically an individual office building. A LAN is very useful for sharing resources such as data storage and printers. LANs can be built with relatively inexpensive hardware such as hubs, network adapters, and Ethernet cables. Metropolitan Area Network (MAN). It consists of a computer network across an entire city, college campus, or small region. A MAN is larger than a LAN, which is typically limited to a single building or site. Depending on the configuration, this type of network can cover an area from several miles to tens of miles. A MAN is often used to connect several LANs together to form a bigger network. When this type of network is specifically designed for a college campus, it is sometimes referred to as campus network or CAN. Wide Area Network (WAN). A wide area network occupies a very large area, such as an entire country or the entire world. A WAN can contain multiple smaller networks as LANs or MANs. The internet is the best known example of a public WAN.